Good morning, children. This is Indrani Miss here, and now it is your class for your computer. So, in this class today, I am going to tell you about few comments regarding logo. Right. I hope in the last week I have posted the video from where you got an idea about this chapter or about the logo commands. And earlier also you taught something regarding it. So today, now only I am going to tell you few formulas, or you can say it commands. Based on the commands, you can draw the pictures of polygons. So children, first of all, go for the page number 69. There you can find one chart related to polygon and the commands. Right. In there you can see triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, all the closed shaped regarding the number of sides related to each shape is mentioned there, and behind it, just beside the shape, just it is writing that triangle, it is having the shape of triangular shape, and just beside it related command is also mentioned there. Right. As from the shape and also from the chart, you will get the command related to the each polygon. Like for the triangle, you have to give command repeat 3, because number of sides in triangle, we know that there are 3 sides. For the pentagon, we are having 5 sides of a pentagon. So for writing the logo command in pentagon, what you have to write? Repeat 5. For heptagon means the 7 sides. The polygon which is having 7 sides is called heptagon. So in case of heptagon, you have to write repeat 7. So first of all, you have to give the repeat command by following the number of sides which is mentioned in the shape or the polygon figure. After that, within the bracket, within the closed bracket, you have to mention the command which is going to be given. Means FD and RT. RT means right turn, means you have to put the angle for which we can draw the closed figure. And FD means forward. You just put it FD command by going forward, straight wise. So, first drawing the pentagon or hexagon or octagon, any kind of closed shaped polygons, first you write repeat and then give the number of sides you want to draw. After that, within closed bracket, you have to give FD command so that the turtle can move onwards, and after that you have to give the angle command, means RT, turn commands, so that turtle can turn to make the sides close. So for in case of FD command, how can you find it? If you see in the question, it will be there answer like equal to 40 turtle steps, 40 turtle steps, 50 turtle steps, 60 turtle steps, it is indicating FD 40, FD 50, FD 60 like this, and RT is based on the number of sides equal to actual the total 360 divided by number of sides that we get from the book also. So I hope from this formula or from this conception you can get all the commands related to all the closed polygon figures. Means if I give you a question like how to draw square, how to draw nonagon, how to draw hexagon, you can easily write the command. Not from the book, you can write by your own also. How to draw, I am just telling you. And one more thing, and go for the text related to logo. Means how can you get the mathematical operation by using logo commands. In the page number 71 and 72 followed by 72, if you see that there is a chart also in which addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is mentioned there by following the related commands, logo commands. Like using print command, you can get the answers. So based on this chart, I will also give some questions as your homework, for you have to learn how to do it. See in the page number 75, crack the code portion, which one I already will give you now how to solve it. Answers already give through PDF file, but before that I am going to tell you one thing, that write the command for each of the following. Like here is the example, add 20 and 40. It is written there in the book. How to do it? Print 20 plus 40. But if I give you out from the book as homework in outside question, you can solve it by using the mathematical operations, like how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide. So at the time of doing homework, you will get some outside questions also. You have to solve it by yourself, because all the charts are there inside the book. In page number 72, see the chart and follow the commands like this. For the addition, only print and after the numbers you want to add. And for the subtraction, only print and give the large number before and then give minus sign and then give the small number. And then for multiplication, print command using the numbers in between the multiplier sign in computer which is used, give that. And for the division also, front slash you should use before the between the divisor and dividend, right? So do it accordingly and solve the homework also and send it to me in my email ID before the next class. Right, now you have to do what I am going to tell you about today's classwork. What is it? Mainly you have to do today now. See the chart of page number 69, that is polygon and its related command. Draw it in the copy, in your school copy, and then also draw the chart of page number 72 mathematical operations chart. Just write both the charts and send it to me in my email ID. This is for your today's classwork. Understand? Thank you.